got on my way. My lady on my jeans. I'm stopping on my jeans. I know you brought on E. This white so clean. That big rose gold with a black dye on. Nah, let me stop. Anyway, bro, that shit there hard as hell though. I ain't gonna lie, I was looking at this watch. My nigga, Sam at the white box for me on that shit. Per usual. But, I was looking at it, right? And I was like, this shit look ugly. I looked at it again, I was like, damn, that shit different as hell. Cause like, it looked old, but it looked new. Like, that shit weird. But it's fire as hell. I definitely own that shit. Oh yeah, and it glow in the dark. Toyota watches. I mean, I've been said that, you feel me. But this is a very very nice piece. I just like this. This is the root beer. You feel me? Get hard as hell. No doubt. What I got for tomorrow? I'm slight. You feel me? I'm slight. But market still in the range, bro. Market still in range. This shit off the hourly. We getting right, man. Learning not to trade. Learning when to trade. You feel me? Straight like that. Market 30 seconds. No, you broke. Don't eat.
What did you say?
Yo, we gonna make some fucking money today. I ain't gonna lie. Sorry for the profanity already. But we gonna make some money. I'm not gonna curse the whole video. That's my only bad word. I'm gonna say the whole video. Watch.
Hey, market's open.
Well, no fucking My bad. Ain't gonna lie, I'm waiting for Meta to pull it back to 662. Wait, 669. What?
It's Apple.
Nah, it's 662. Why do I have 669? Hold on. Nice. Oh, bro, hold on, bro. Am I tripping?
Buys.
Loading the Apple 202.5 calls. Loading does not mean enter.
No, it's 662. I don't know why I put 669.
You guys hear us on Discord? I don't think so, but neither do I. Oh, they can hear. They can? Okay. Okay, good.
Get off my screen.
Morning, guys. Get your coffee. Yep. Locked and loaded.
Bro, I'm not a bro. I need to drink coffee one day.
Projecting.
I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I know a lot of folks drink coffee. I wonder like how
Oh, they should be able to hear us. I left it
healthy it is. For real. Like, is it super healthy? Like, I mean, I know it's not super healthy, but I need to talk to somebody that drink coffee religiously.
Yeah. Apple failed. Spy rejected 593. No one's hearing that yet.
Yeah, definitely.
Watching this meta as well.
Yo, get off my stuff.
664.
Get off my stuff, gang. Yo, bro, ain't no way, bro. So as y'all can see, Meta is, going down crazy. I do got calls loaded for Meta. Straight like that. Yeah, Meta the weakest name as of right now. Tesla holding strong. That's interesting. Or not. I thought they were. I thought they were. But I'll be looking for Amazon. Bounce off the 200 EMA. Near the 200. Just steady watching. I want to see what this next candle do on Meta. When we see a flip, hopefully, print like some type of pattern. Then a flip candle, flip green candle. Something like that. And I don't mess up anymore on a call and put aside because it didn't happen too many times. I know my left from the right now. Trust me. I know Raph in the trade. He probably didn't. He probably nailed Meta or something. Too quiet. He too quiet. Look in the video. Uh, They go cup of the acorn red.
AMD very strong today. AMD, Amazon holding well.
Like you just reclaim VWAP. Well, like it wicking. It looks like it's wicking VWAP. Hmm. Candle on the video look interesting. Possibly making a lower high. Let's see. We do got 10 o'clock data. I don't even think I talked about that. We do got 10 o'clock data. Let's see though. May just wait to 10 o'clock data. I definitely know how to sit on my hands. Facts. Yeah. Alright, I just caught this. Ooh. Oh, I just almost caught myself. For real. But Jolts. It's finna drop. Jolts. Jolts. Pretty sure that's how you say it, pronounce it. Raph just loaded spot puts. I have them loaded as well. Let's see.
Data in 15 seconds.
Amazon. I want to see Amazon bounce off this level or probably drop below it and go higher. Let's see though. Also, what Microsoft? Microsoft look.
Jolts data.
That's a crazy candle. That's a crazy candle. The video is at 104. I mean 140. 140. 50. Meta, not a lot of reaction. Yeah.
Openings higher than forecast.
Look at Aristotle. He just got in on some calls. So as soon as data drop. Let me refresh Walter Bloomberg. Oh, he just refreshed for me. Nice. Bro, Nvidia is skyrocketing right now. Wait. yeah, hit what, like 2 more million. I don't know how to read this just yet, but eventually I will know how to read this to a T. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see how we close. The video high 140 is crazy. The video going to my next level.
Also liking Tesla long stays, so keeping an eye on this as well. I'll let you guys know what contracts. So
I would definitely trade Tesla. I have yet to trade Tesla. I ain't gonna lie. I would love to trade Tesla. Bro, that is insanity. What in the world?
really,
Like, they have three great, well, not three, 5 great green candles.
It's too strong today.
Wow. Wow. Interesting. Bro, let me be a market maker for like a day, bro. Please.
Calls are $500 a pop now this morning.
what did we pay for them yesterday?
A lot less than $500.
200? Yeah.
Look at that candle on SPY.
It's just one of those would have been up.
This is a
Squeeze it.
Horizon 3. What is it called? I'm looking at it, bro. Bro, is this a Horizon 3 method? Let's see. I gotta see how it closes. But I don't believe so because wait. I gotta look this up now. Oops. Horizon 3 method. Oh wait. This the pattern.
Oh, right here.
Let's see.
Keep SPY ready, guys. I want to see how this candle closes.
Ah, they could give this, bro. That was gonna be probably like my first time ever seeing it too. Well, spotting it for real. But that just got my attention out of nowhere. But it almost. I'm pretty sure it has to close above this 593. Let's see. It look like it's failing though, so maybe psyching a lot of people out. Better with that at level. Yeah, it definitely not a Horizon 3 method, unfortunately. Would have been pretty nice though. I ain't gonna lie. I would have got filled.
No, 1 DT contracts, not 0 DT. Don't enter yet. Just keep them ready.
See, Rapton did his trading for the day. Now he finna help for trade. Insanity. Bro, I wonder like the dude who be typing all this stuff, like, I know you profitable. Like for real.
I like longs on SPY if it closes above this 593. But let's see. I know we're a little bit of different bias here, but both levels can be traded. Let's just see what happens. 5 still in supply though.
I'm being very patient, man. I'm loving it. I ain't gonna lie, I can do this. I can do this every day though. Q's broke above this level. Where I want to Q's above, I will bounce and hold off of 522. Looking like on it. Maybe this was the candle to get filled. Just based off the engulfing, it held. It didn't necessarily go down to that level, but
Guys, I got filled on SPY. I'm just going to use that high as my stop for now. 593 puts. My average is 244.
I just got filled as well. The high around that zone. Regardless, we know what we're risking. Let's see if we can get type of reaction below that 21. Nice drop. Nice drop.
Guys, 16% here, guys. I've taken 20%.
16%.
I've taken like
22%.
50% of my position.
I took
Nice entry.
I took profit. On to the next trade. That was a very quick trade.
That candle just flipped red.
That was a very quick trade. That is insane.
20% here.
That is insane.
I'm gonna move my stop to 590 to 50.
That is insane. I ain't gonna lie.
Right, you saw 350 on Tesla?
Wow, look at the Q's.
That was your level.
Amazon 207.
Yeah, I was really watching shorts on Tesla.
I want to bounce off 207. Like
actually 590 to 68. That will be my trade stop now.
Wow. I hope my mic great too. I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna see. I probably do need to turn up just here. Reaction. You got reaction off the 50. Is it still my heat map? Okay, cool.
Guys, I put all 5 at green here. I'm all out.
I think there's risk of a squeeze. We can clear 500. But you had a really good entry there. Either 592 breaks, we dump to 590, or 593 breaks and we go to 596.
I'm going to stay on the 593. It's still valid, but I'm just going to keep it quick and easy.
That's a real scalp. That's a lightning fast scalp. I didn't even look at the tape when that just happened because I was in the trade, but I would have loved to see what the tape looked like. I'm pretty sure it was all red. I'm pretty sure. More than likely it was all red. And then Meta at this 200. Oh, also, I ain't even tell y'all, but that pink line, it just about got wicked. Literally, I deleted it this morning, but that pink line on the video, it was 136.50, I believe. Let me see. It was right here. It was 136.01. So right around here, I had placed that pink line. I was like, it's not gonna get hit. It just about. I'm talking about literally like a hair mark, like literally. But price went up afterward. It it had went up right here, came back down, tested it again, double bottom. That was it. That was another entry. Yeah, definitely. Still looking at Meta. Meta's. I want to say it's definitely supported at 200. That 200 cloud, whatever. There's definitely some support right there. Geneva, Switzerland. Oh, bro, I keep, bro. Kevin O'Leary. I was watching one of them videos. Kept talking about Geneva, Switzerland. I'm gonna go there with my Switzerland watch one day. Now I gotta definitely look at a million Swiss made watches. It's dang, how you pronounce their name? J, J. I know the initial JLT. I think. Yeah, Le Courtier. Nah, it's Le Coupe, something like that. I'm pretty sure they Swiss made. One of my favorite watch brands. I ain't gonna lie. Right under Debitone. Debitone #1. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. Debitone is definitely #1. First watch I ever seen by Debitone was their all blue watch. I don't know the name of the watch, but it's all blue. Probably like a DB28 or pretty sure it's like a 28 or something. But I was like, what in the world? This all blue watch is 6 figures?
Dylan, tag me in like an hour and I'll get back to you.
And then I kept looking into their brand. I got some
right now watching for
some crazy watches. The watch that I want, the watch I'm gonna have, the watch I'm gonna achieve is the Star. What is it called? Star something. I want to say Variant Yellow. Probably the best watch they ever made. I ain't gonna lie. Junk nasty. But looking at Spy, it look like it's in some type of supply. Like, I don't know. Look like it's in type. Golly, look like it's in some type of box. Support down here. Resistance right here. So technically, supply and demand. I forgot. I didn't forget. I need to recall. What is it actually called when it does it? I know it's consolidation, but it's another word.
You're not in short anymore, right?
No.
I feel like
Keep
once
the contracts, keep them loaded, guys. I may enter if I see certain things.
But again, it definitely has to.
I'm gonna load Microsoft 460 foot guys.
Microsoft puts what Microsoft looking like? Oh, Microsoft looking bare. Look at this candle. Look at this candle. I'm gonna load Microsoft as well. Let me just be quiet.
I'm gonna load from my side. I'm gonna load longs and SPY. I'm gonna load the 593 calls and SPY. These are 1 day expiration.
Puts. I got puts on Microsoft.
Not in yet.
I know it's puts because it's on the right hand side. Straight like that. The video's out of here. I ain't gonna lie. I put Amazon, but Amazon looking like it's making higher. It's going higher. Amazon is definitely going higher. Bouncing off this high right here. 207. I was wanting to come to this level below the 21, but this look like a very decent chart. You can look at the EMAs and tell. In my book, and
See how this kind of
from my understanding, if the EMAs look like this, look at Spy, look at Amazon, Microsoft, now look at Meta. You feel me? Like, nah, well, it just there. It's
Looking
there.
for an entry soon on Apple. I still have the same contracts loaded.
But I believe these are much cleaner. Definitely. Need to be quiet. I think I'm telling my age too much. No kidding.
Jackson, it's just level based right now. I mean, if Spy fails back under 593, Crab can probably short, right? If we're above 593, we can long. Just have to see what happens.
You got buyers.
Take another trade. Just watching them.
62.
I like 593. It's a consolidation from yesterday. Didn't trade out today. Let's see.
I ain't gonna lie. It's like I noticed this, but I never noticed this. You got volume on the active trader. Wow. We could see a pop. Who knows?
I would have expected to squeeze already though. Surprised it's not squeezing already.
Amazon going up. Told you.
But you should be triggering a squeeze here from us. 592.
I need to stop saying I don't like. I don't be saying that. I need to just stop. Look at Meta. Hell, 200. It's 180 cloud. 180, 200. It'll look very, very, very nice if it cleared above this 21, and it closed above the 21. Where are those contracts? Meta contracts. When did I get them? I think I got them like at something crazy like that. G-Shock returns to something 2025 showcasing art. That's what's up, G-Shock. I'll never forget. I remember I was probably like one of my first watches I ever remember. It was a green G-Shock with like when you hit the button to like make the light turn on, it was like a blue. What's the name? A little blue light in the G-Shock. I remember that. That's crazy. I was a youngin', real young, single digits.
This is the break I wanted to see. I want to see this candle flip a little red here, and I can long that 593. That's my intention now. I want to see it hold 593 for long, because that's the must-hold level here.
I'm looking at this candle. I want to see. This Microsoft looks.
Let's see this candle flip right into this area here. Alright, I got filled on SPY at 2.46. My stop loss is going to be 592.9. Very simple stop loss here.
Almost like a 30 cents out.
Just testing the squeeze idea.
You definitely cleared above that level. I think 05 or something like that. 59305, something like that. Let me see. God, am I like what's up with my levels today in my head? I wonder what level. I don't know why I said that. What level was that? 59326. What's 59305? I mean this candle. Definitely this candle. I mean it wasn't the worst take. Definitely wasn't the worst take. Definitely. But it is a zone up there for a reason.
Keeping an eye on Microsoft, guys. If it loses this previous swing low, I'll enter with a 462 as top. Okay, size small for a 50-cent risk, maybe give or take 5, 6, maybe 10%.
I'm liking this. Stops right above right here.
460 puts.
Right above right there, man. Microsoft puts loaded. Let's see. It's kind of good still. Let's see. Bro, I feel like some news gonna come out like Thursday or something like that. That drop the market. I don't know why. I don't think it's ready to go back to all time highs. Who knows? That's just me talking though. I love to see. I'm be in the mix. You feel me? I'm front line literally every day when it's not working.
Are you watching Apple here? I want to see if we can wait below 202 and reclaim.
Below that 50. Waking up 50. Golly.
No ads on SPY. We don't really have to do that. We just have to define our risk under this. Basically, right? Either we are trapping up these shorts right now above 593, and we're going to squeeze, or we're trapping longs above 593. So right now, our stop loss is simply just going to be 592.9. Just that candle low. Right now, we're sitting at break even here.
Watching Microsoft like a hawk. You need to go. Looks like it's holding. Holding at 50 as support.
Okay, so I got filled on Microsoft. My average is 259. I'll simply use 462 as my stop on this trade.
Nice. I was looking. Looked like it was on support. Fell below. This is my idea. See these two candles form like that. Another red candle pop, drop.
This to me looks so good. It just has to push it out now. You see those buyers coming in up at 593 now. Just has to squeeze out any existing shorts on this position. All right. Up 8% here on SPY. If you guys want to meet risk, you can sell here.
I feel like that's a fake out candle. I ain't gonna lie.
I think we should squeeze though. Just needs to keep pushing.
Gonna wait that zone and come back down. Bet $1 million.
Okay. Give us that squeeze.
I ain't even noticed. Meta wick the 50 printed a red candle. What in the world? It has to go. I feel like
I am just gonna take some trims here at 10% just to meet my risk, guys. So I just took my first trim at 9%. I'm just meeting my risk here.
Look at the candle wick though. On the red candle on Microsoft.
This is a squeeze setup, so our stop is going to be moved up now to 593.3. This has to just go for us and just squeeze out all the shorts. But I'm up about 9%. Not a lot, but this could be the start of a potential breakout here.
God, Lee Microsoft got a huge gap.
It needs to start pressuring.
Holy. Oh, bro, that gap fill is coming. One of these days, I just know it. I know it, bro. I know it. I literally read it.
That Apple chart is not really what you want to see when you're in SPY long, but what's keeping me longer is the video.
Gaps. That was an earnings gap. I remember that. Microsoft spanked on the earnings. That's how
again here.
Microsoft hit on the earnings, AMD hit on the earnings, NVIDIA hit on the earnings. Nigga, I knew NVIDIA was gonna hit on the earnings. But me placing a NVIDIA bet before the earnings, that's literally what I just said. It's a bet, bro. Like, you're literally betting that they're gonna beat the earnings.
Now the squeeze setup should be confirmed. It just has to push over 594. But make sure you guys are taking trims up 13% now. Okay. I took some more trims here at 13%. And my stop is now moved up again, 594.50. Our risk on that, just so you understand why we were able to trim like that, is because our risk was so tight too. We'll use 539.4 actually. That's a good stop loss now.
Coming back down.
We're just scalping here.
Go to the 200 for me. I'll give you $1 billion. Go to the 200. I'll give you $1 billion. See some red on the tape. What was it? That was pre-market. I was finna say. What in the world? Up like 5% right now.
We're up like 5% on Microsoft here, guys. Hands are not moving at all. I think it needs like a big breakdown here. Break was 461.
Can't make this up, bro. Can't make this up, bro. That's insane. If this is a 10+ minute trade, it's gonna be a 10+ minute trade, and not my first.
So now what I want to see on SPY is I want to see this 539.4 turn into support here, right? I don't want to see this breakdown. I want to continuously raise my stop here. It should wick and just flip green. But I like this. No, I like the idea. Let's just play it out now.
Let it play in my ear. Give me 10% Meta. I mean Microsoft.
Okay, so we're at my break-even point here right now. So this is a... Go ahead, Rep.
6% here, guys, on Microsoft.
Nice. One more push.
Guys, I'm gonna take a trade here at 8% just to cover.
Bro, ain't no way, bro.
I've taken out like 60% of the position.
I took profit at
Sell that 4 with 462 as well.
8%.
So basically break even.
I was waiting for that push to drop. I thought it was maybe gonna be 10%. Fortunately, green is green. You feel me? Straight like that. I don't know. Me and Raph might just be in sync today. That's interesting. I ain't gonna lie to you. I will be back. I ain't gonna lie, I'm looking at Meta, but I seen Amazon first. Amazon for the cause. I did say I wanted to drop a little below that level, and then possibly we can go back up to highs. But I want to see how it closed. But as you can see on Meta, the double top pattern, clear as day. Definitely is some resistance at that 21. What was it? What is it? 6, 6, and 9, and then below the 200. We just gotta stay below the 200. But it looked pretty weak. I ain't gonna lie, it looked pretty weak. So I may just stick with Amazon. That part.
You can short squeeze.
I think short squeeze. What do you think of it? He doesn't want to say it, but
I did low.
He's calling me a fool. He's not saying it, but he's calling me a fool.
I need to stop saying it's just a habit. I'm gonna break out of it though. Anyway, Amazon. Need to see Amazon or something. It's looking good though. Looking good.
Back up 13-14% now. Again.
I want to see a nice close on Amazon. Nice close on Amazon. Stops below that level.
My stop loss is going to be raised 593.45 as always.
Yeah, I'm probably done for the day though. Good signals. By 20%, Microsoft 12%.
Cash flow. That's what we're doing. This week is just cash flow.
But it's looking like it's rejecting off that 21, which is very interesting. So we probably not gonna get no bull side on Amazon just yet.
I'll check it out.
Just yet.
That's what we're gonna start doing.
Spot still in that level.
Money Mike gets Mondays on the Spotify. Brad gets Fridays.
Hell, I don't know how people trade with music. I can't love it.
after, like you know, like towards the end.
Oh, what's the end?
Like, you know, like right now.
Yo, Brett is
like,
a troller, bro. That's all. Bro, that's all he do, bro.
You know what I'm saying?
Go get some sun, man. Summer's here.
You gotta book your flight, man.
That's why I love this. That's why I love this skill. I can go anywhere in the world and still work. Hey, I swear to God. Swear to God. I can be on vacation and work. Well, is that technically? Yeah, that's a vacation. I ain't at home. Shit. Hey, I can go anywhere in the world and work. Okay.
I did like Tesla once, but kind of like a third now.
Definitely dead on Amazon. Raw. Anyway.
Why are you always looking at the 5-minute time frame? I mean, I like the 5-minute time frame.
Brad be on a 2-minute to 5. But definitely 5 minutes.
Alright, I am green here again. 15%.
Where all the scalpers come.
Make sure you guys are
15 minute
unloading.
dead, bro. I ain't gonna lie, fam.
But I think I'm hoping we get that squeeze.
This is
It just has
1,
to start
2,
pressuring
3,
people. I
4.
don't really see a lot of volume here. That's the problem.
4 candles off. 4 candles or
You're gonna
5
see a
candles.
squeeze. You want to see high volume.
It's 595.
15 minutes. They got it, bro.
Yeah, we'll see.
Sheesh, no, I'm
Look like a long spot on Meta now.
I've just been focusing
Support.
on like
At this point,
quality, good entry. You know,
let me make sure this is what. This is.
last week I was trading a little too much size. This week I kind of tapered back a little bit.
Nah, that's a double top, bro. Real top. That's a real double top.
Toned it back a little bit.
I may call it soon up. Let's see. Preserve my winning streak. That's all I can do. Yeah, kid, I'm hungry too, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Market's too boxy. More clean.
Ain't no real clean move.
We're doing well then.
Oh, we're doing well. Yep.
Q's, look at Q's. Breakout on the Q's. Yep. Oh, I ain't even see this. This is a consolidation.
17-18% on spot now, guys.
Consolidation.
Make sure you guys are unloading into these pops.
What in the world, my brother? What the? Nah, for real.
Put the gas pedal all the way down.
This was the counter to get
I think
filled off
this is exactly what you want to see, though.
Q's back to 527. That'd be nice. I can see it happening. Nice. Definitely consolidation of it.
Yeah, Grab, I was actually surprised. I thought you were gonna take Tesla for sure today.
Short? No.
No, long.
What's
Yeah,
Tesla look
I
like, bro?
did like it, but then
That'd have been hugging my screen the whole day just to print some BS. Yeah, that's definitely the end of the video. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. Straight like that. If I would have long Meta, it would have not been too great. Maybe what is this? What is this? It wasn't good. It wasn't good. It wasn't ours. It wasn't all that. Anyway, I got what I deserved today, and it was nice, straight like that. Keep my head on the swivel. Somebody keep my head on right. You feel me? When it come down to this, I know what I have to do to stay on the green side, straight like that. No more rap. That part.